As office buildings age, the HVAC equipment that was installed as the building was constructed is now landlocked inside, but in need of repair and even replacement. Many are left wondering how they will keep their systems running efficiently with minimal disruption to their occupants and operations. In the Carolinas, this is a big opportunity for building owners. Brady has worked successfully with customers in our area to tear down, assess, and repair and rebuild equipment in office buildings through our modular self-contained unit replacement program in partnership with Trane. In a matter of days, the system is operating as efficiently as designed without disruption to the building's original construction.
Hi, I'm Josh Fossey. I work with Brady Services. I've been here for 6 years and I work on the Raleigh team. I am currently the lead tech for the SAS project and doing the self-contained units. Usually these units are put in before the building's really put together, and we have a lot of them, especially in the triangle, and eventually these things are going to have to be changed out. With the Trane self-contained units, it's a much more superior unit than other manufacturers, and they're more reliable. What we've done is able to go and taking pieces of it apart, putting it back together. We're not changing its functionality or anything like that. It's still the same machine and it still runs the same.
So my involvement here has been breaking down the machine down to every bolt and every screw and installing it back inside an electrical room and mechanical room. And the machine has to be put back together to Trane specs, and it has to operate as the way it was meant to. The support I've had here with Lead Tech has been great. He's given me the support that I needed to really understand how this machine is supposed to operate.
The simplified installation process for these modular systems is great for customers who want to minimize downtime while maintaining the efficiency of their equipment.
Hi, this is Josh Fossey with Brady Services. We just did the install of AHU 5. This was a 4-day job, 2-day teardown, 2-day install.
Contact Brady today to learn more about our customized approach to support owners during this process. Brady, caring for each other, our customers, and our communities.